How to check iPhone camera megapixels. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the camera settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to Formats as shown. On this page, go to the Camera Capture section at the top and select High Efficiency. Capturing photos and videos in the high-efficiency HEIF or HEVC format will reduce the file size. Then, go to the Photo Capture section and tap on Photo Mode. From here, select the megapixel that you want. For example, 24 MP. A photo will be approximately 3 megabytes at 24 MP. Following these steps, you can easily check iPhone camera megapixels.